So the spot view is one of the most popular features, and it has the round shape, it has the bar shape, the align, and the V. And I want to show you how to switch between those and also how to switch between the magnify and the invert modes. So if I put one finger down, that enables the spot view. So now there it is. And if I want to move that around, I just move that one finger around. If I want to switch to the magnified spot, I tap with the second finger one time. And with that tap, it's now twice as large. I continue to move this around with one finger. And if I want to go out of magnified back to the normal size, I again tap once with the second finger. If I want to invert, it's very similar, except I'm going to double tap with the second finger. And I end up with an inverted spot, and I can move that around again with the one finger. But now what was dark is light and what was light is dark. And this is often useful for looking at lungs and certain other cases. They can be combined. So once I'm in the inverted mode, I can tap once and get a magnified inverted mode. Of course, at all times, if you lift your finger up, then it's going back to normal. To go into the spot view align, you enable the spot view with the one finger, touch and hold down a second finger, and the angle of your two fingers set the angle of the bar. So with that, you can then lift up your second finger and you can use the one finger to move that bar back and forth to compare things across multiple images. You can double tap once you're in the spot view align, and you'll get the invert. You can single tap, and you'll get the magnified view in a bar. And when you have the bar up, if you put two fingers more down, a second and a third finger, that will enable the V mode. And now when you change the angle with your two fingers, it changes the angle of the bar, but the bar is reflected to the other side. And so with a single finger, you can still move it around. So with all these controls at your fingertips, it really makes the workflow a little bit easier, and you can really focus in on the details that you want. If you would like more tips on how to improve your way of working, please check out our other workflow videos.